video, I will tell you how to install Room Manager on your front door screens of meeting rooms. First of all, start the program by clicking the Room Manager icon in the Applications section of your device. Select Room Device among the options appearing on the screen and enter your PIN number. Then write your server address. Then you will see the section where you can select the room you want to see on your screen. The rooms listed here are the rooms you have previously defined in your system in the Administration panel. Here, let's switch to your computer and see how we define this room in the Administration panel. To do this, you need to do the following on your computer. Type the server address into your web browser. Log into the system by typing your username and password given to you. On the screen that opens, enter the Settings tab from the Administration panel. Define your company settings. From the Location tab, define the location where you want to connect the rooms. You can do multiple breakdowns here. Go to the Rooms tab and start creating your room by clicking Add New. Enter the name of the room you want to create. Select the location where you want to link the room. Select the appropriate group if you have created any group in the Groups tab. Define an email address for the room and select its capacity and the features suitable for the room among the features you have previously defined in the Features tab. If there is a user from whom you ask for a pre-approval when booking a room, select that user from the Delegation section, but for this action, you must define your users beforehand in the Users tab. If you want to write a description for the room, enter the Description section. Select the template you want to be displayed on the room screen among the given options. Your logo, saved in the Settings tab where you define your company settings, appears in the relevant field in the template. If you want to use a different template from the ones registered, you must contact your supplier. Media section is supposed to be used for playing videos and showing images on the screens at times when there isn't any meeting set up all day long. In order to use this feature, add the appropriate media and save your work. Alternatively, if there is a meeting within the day, it is also possible to play the media until 15 minutes are left before the meeting starts. You need to contact your supplier for this setting. This way, you can define all the rooms you will use in your reservation system. Now let's continue the tablet setup where we left off. After selecting the room on the tablet, the system will load the template you have specified for the room. At this stage, the installation is completed. You can now create meetings either on the tablet or from the management panel. Thank you.